Frank Walker. I'm from Anna, Texas, and my office here in McKinney, Texas. My company is Walker Limited. I graduated from Oklahoma State University, a degree in hotel restaurant administration, and for the last 30 years I've been in the hospitality industry. Once I got out of working for national chain account restaurants, I came to work for Walker Limited, my family's company that started back in 1977. What we do at Walker Limited is we're custom food manufacturers for chain account restaurants. We own a car wash also, and it's a real passive form of income for us. And with that, we were looking for something to complement the car wash business. And it just so happened when we bought this car wash at the time, there was an older Kooler Ice machine there, but it was inoperable. And so that started the idea of, hey, that would be a good complement to this car wash and being a passive sort of income. And so I contacted Kooler Ice. And so immediately I was interested in the idea because we had a great location where the car wash was. It was right in the middle of downtown Van Alstyne, and we had a super location with high visibility, high traffic flow, so it just seemed like a real compliment for us. And then when I met Donnie and then with Kooler, with Cleveland, just fell in love with the company. Everybody was super nice. So I had checked out twice the ice also, and the idea of paying twice as much money for a machine just didn't appeal to me, and I didn't want to take up that much space. So there was, the relationship that was formed with Kooler. And then also as a complement to our Kooler Ice business, we have a Kooler Ice machine at the car wash in Van Alstyne, and then we just recently purchased our second Kooler Ice machine in Howe, Texas, which is just 7 or 8 miles up the road. We also own a Kona Ice shaved ice franchise, and so that complements the Kooler Ice business very well because our territory is Grayson County, Texas, and where our 2 Kooler Ice machines are located allows us the ability to drive right up and load up the Kona truck with ice and then go do our sales gigs. All in all, since we've had 2 machines now, the first machine immediately started generating income. We opened that machine in February, and although that's the downtime of the year, we were still selling ice and water. And I have to say that we have had that machine now for, I think, 3 years. And since we launched that first machine, our sales have always beat prior year sales. The machine in Howe has been up for now two and a half months, and each month it has surpassed the previous month in sales. And so right now it's trending very well. It's doing a lot better than we anticipated actually for only being 2.5 months. So some of the favorite things about Kooler Ice for me, I have to say, is the passive income part of the business. The machine itself is pretty much self-sustaining. It takes care of itself. If I ever do have a question about one of my machines, Kooler Ice, Tommy at technical support is always quick to answer the phone and walk you through any problems you might have. If I was looking to give any advice to someone that's looking to get into the ice business, I would strongly urge you to research your location first and foremost. Buying a machine is the easy part. The hard part is finding a location. It's just, when you're starting out, it's the Kooler Ice footprint seems so obvious because of the amount of capital outlay. It's pretty small. You can get a large return on your investment with just the machine. And even at the 2500 machine, at twice the ice machine is twice as much money as a 2500. So, why spend that much money when you could buy multiple Kooler Ice machines and have them at multiple locations? So I am thrilled to death to be a partner with Kooler Ice. It has been nothing but a great relationship. I feel whenever I call Tommy or Cleveland and have any questions or comments or concerns, they're quick to call me back, and it's not just a business relationship. They really do care about your success. With our second machine, they did a test to see if this location made sense. There was actually more to it than just throwing a dart against the board and hoping it works. which really surprised me that the kind of tool was out there for it, but they were all too willing to do that. And to be honest with you, when we were looking at our second machine, I was really adamant on wanting to put the machine in the front of the lot, and Donnie looked at it and Cleveland looked at it, and they looked at the aerial view of it from Google, and they strongly suggested that I put the machine in the back of the lot off the back alley. And hindsight being what it is, that turned out to be a great suggestion from them, because traffic can really just roll right up to the alleyway and get right out and get their ice. And I have to say that, I feel that other companies would not have spent that kind of time researching that. They would have been more concerned with just making the sale. So yeah, Kooler Ice has been great to us. They're there when we need them. And other than that, just you don't hear about it. It's just business as usual.